Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Steam store region and wallet country step by step. I will also explain the important rules because Steam only allows the region changes when you have actually moved or are paying with a valid local payment method. So first of all, you need to come here on store.steampowered.com in your web browser. You can also follow the same steps in the Steam application on your PC. You just have to make sure that you first of all log in into your Steam account if you haven't already. Now, Steam normally detects your country based on your current location and the payment method. So to change your region officially, the most reliable method is when you move to a new country or when you stay there for long term. You can add an item to your cart. So here, as you can see, we are having a lot of games here. So you can click on any of the games. Afterwards, you can just simply scroll down and click on the option of add to cart. Now click on the option of view my cart. Over here, you just have to come here on this particular page, then click on the option of continue to payment. After that, you will be landed here on this particular page where it is going to ask you to provide your payment related details. So you need to provide your payment details. When you have completed your payment, Steam will automatically update your store country. You can also go to your account. So here, simply come back on the home page, then click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, when you are here in your accounts section, you just have to go to the store and the purchase history and update your store country. Now, if Steam asks for the local payment billing address or any kind of verification, you need to enter the real information only because the fake addresses or the mismatched payments can lock your account. So make sure that you avoid that. If you are facing any kind of problem in basically changing your country, you can anytime come here on help.steampower.com. Over here, you can click on the option of help me with my issue, and you can also go through these articles so that you could successfully change your region or your country in Steam. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.